Hey guys, welcome to another
Another
video of
magical crowns.
Today we're gonna do
Slime video.
challenge.
Basically, you pick out of the jar. For example, you pick a little note, and
it says,
oh, it's green glitter again.
okay, so let's get started with me.
Shake it up.
With okay.
I got green. So first,
we
when
already
I was
have blue.
exampling in this fail video, I got green glitter. Then, when we were starting, I got green glitter. Now, I got green glitter.
Got one. I got two. Gold glitter.
Alright, since we're starting off with my favorite color, glitter. Well, she's good at that.
No, you gotta wait. Wait for me.
Shake it up.
Do you want me to help?
Okay.
Did you do it or do you want help?
Did I go over the hole? I went over the. There we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna add a little bit.
Or a lot. Alright, my turn.
This looks weird.
When did I get green glitter again? I got yellow dye.
Alright, Lexi's making a yellow slime and she gets a different color of dye and it mixes together with the yellow. I hope mine turns
Oh,
out
we need
good.
the toothpick.
I got them, don't worry.
Alright, good. Next up
Alright guys, Lexi.
is gonna put this in the pan.
So this is how mine is looking. It looks like disgusting pancake batter. Oh, look at all that
It's
glitter.
gonna get better though.
I
well,
hope it
right?
might get worse.
Yeah, that will.
And there's Lexi getting the dye.
Alright, I'm gonna start mixing it in. Wow, see, I only got a little on because it's really strong. Oh, look at.
All right, guys, Lexi's going to start mixing with her spoon now, right, Lexi?
Yep.
So get your
That's
spoon
good.
out.
Spoon. Let's mix. Wow, that's way faster.
Yeah, because it's like so skinny. All right, next.
Alright,
guys,
let's pick
here
out
we
of. You
This
got.
will be the same. Shaving cream.
Ooh, you're getting a fluffy slime. Shaving cream. Here you go. Alright, let's put some shaving cream.
Oh my god, I hate when that happens. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's weird.
That's good.
This is different.
Yeah, because it's daddy's,
Wait,
but
let me
whatever. We can. I hate when the shaving cream just takes over the whole
I'm
slime.
gonna make some really fluffy slime, guys.
It might be a gross color, it may be a pretty
I
color.
hope I get some dye soon, because they're just like little weird things in it. That's what the gold glitter looks like. Okay, I'm all good now.
Alright, my turn. Let's see. I got this one in. Hand cream.
All right.
Alright, that's the new ingredient. Let's see, when I paused the video, we said, alright, I
It's the
guess
same.
I'm having a stretchy slime.
Oh, it's going to be so soft.
Yeah, hand cream is kind of soft, actually.
That's a lot of hand cream, Lexi.
Whatever.
Now start mixing.
Now it's a really light yellow. It's actually the same color as it was.
It's turning weird. Who's winning, guys? Me?
Oh, this looks so cool.
Me?
Oh, wow.
Or Lexi? All right, next.
So wait, see,
Okay, guys, this is round number 3 because Lexi's got yellow dye and hand cream, and I've got shaving cream
no,
and gold sparkles.
no, ingredient number 3 for you.
And round number 3. Okay, ready?
No, round number 3 would mean like we're making another slime.
Not always. Red glitter. Oh my god. More glitter.
Well,
Glitter.
whatever. See you guys when she's putting it in. Alright, let's go.
My bowl is way fuller than Lexi's. I can't believe I got the smaller bowl. There we go. That should be good. Now let's mix all this glitter.
Well, I actually wanted the bigger bowl, and Zita wanted the smaller bowl.
But I might need a bigger bowl. Lexi has like so little amount, and look at mine.
I'm
Look
gonna
at all those
I'm gonna-
speckles. It looks like a Hatchimal. think.
It actually kind of does. Hatchimal egg slime. How to make Hatchimal egg slime? Add, with your slime, you should add in some all colors of glitter, like the colors of glitter you want, the little speckles, and shaving cream.
And also, like,
All right,
pink and
Lexi's
purple.
turn. Here she
Let's
goes.
go. I got
Round
don't-
number.
Don't. It's more hand cream. It's gonna be even more softer. Wow.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. This is why you shake it up, Lexi. You should shake it up next time. I hope I don't get a duplicate.
Well,
No, I didn't mean shake the hand cream up. I meant shake the mug up. And I'm going to take
look at that. It's super bright.
Lexi, yours is going to be so soft and stretchy. Mine, on the other hand,
It's gonna be so fluffy and pokey.
I'm going to try to shape and Hatchimal egg. Guys, subscribe and hit the like button if you want me to make my slime look like a Hatchimal egg.
Oh, and put in the comments down below once we're done. Who do you think wins? And whoever gets the most votes wins. She's eating a taco.
Okay, next.
Who is that?
Hand cream.
Ooh, yours is gonna be soft too. But mine is gonna be softer.
Way softer.
Yeah.
I'm going to add 3 squirts like you're supposed to. 1, 2,
I added like 10
3.
squirts.
Ready? Let's do this.
It's getting even more light.
Oh, it's turning weird now. I actually want to get all the colors of glitter now. I don't want to get any dye. I want it to look like a Hatchimal egg slime. We'll see.
Once I said, it kind of
Okay,
looks like
bye.
a Hatchimal shell.
Why did I say bye?
Why did you say bye? Alright, so guys, next up is me. Let's pick.
That's you.
Alright, what's in here? I got gold glitter. Alright, so far I got yellow, hand cream twice, and gold glitter. So mine might be like a yellow.
I don't want to. Just put your taco down. Never. Why is it on close up?
I was close upping you eating your taco.
Why?
I was just filming you eating your taco, but I was
Now it looks weird.
ugh. Yeah, but it's still pretty at least.
I'm trying to get it to focus on you, but you're moving around too much. Oh my god. All right, next.
All right.
Not feeling lucky. I feel like I'm gonna get some sort of dye. Orange dye. Oh, it'd be good if it was pink
Wait,
dye.
homemade orange dye?
No, just orange dye.
All right. Just grab the orange dye. You're like chewing.
Yum. Tasty. Tasty.
She was eating a taco.
It was yummy.
Was it? Yummy.
Alright guys, here we go. We'll see you guys when I'm ready to start mixing.
Wait, that's the. Wait, no, never mind.
Alright guys, here we go. She's gonna film me. I'm just gonna look at the camera. Here we go. Why am I doing this? Why do I have to do this? It's not working! Hurry up and work. Hurry up and work.
Oh, it's starting to. Guys, for you it looks yellow. For us, it looks.
Why does it look yellow to them? It looks orange.
It looks orange to us. It looks yellow to them.
Okay, look. Oh, Dad, it's just not getting in there.
Why don't you start mixing with your spoon? You're like, scrape, scrape,
Get
scrape.
off. Get off, dye. See? It's all on there, but it's just not coming off.
Just mix.
Ew.
On the camera, you can
Here you
see that there's a lot of dye in it.
Okay, this is all the orange I'm going to add, so it's barely even orange. Okay, should I just add more orange?
No, I think that's good.
No, I'm going to add
All
more
right,
orange.
mine.
No. More.
All right, okay.
I'm supposed to make it orange, so I'm going to make it orange.
It's actually a lot orange. You can see
There
on the
we
camera.
go.
Wow, that's a lot of orange.
I need to make it orange. It's my destiny. It's my destiny. Get up.
It was like blood when it was on there. See, they scrape it off the side. There's a lot on the side.
It's gone. It's somewhere in the slime. I don't know where it is. See, guys, when it's all orange.
Alright.
I need to add more glue. That's it.
No. That's good. Don't use it. Oh. Alright, alright. What did I get? Orange dye.
You didn't mix it around, Lexi. You're supposed to mix it around.
Well, I didn't get orange dye yet. Orange dye, thanks. I'll get a toothpick and see you guys when I'm mixing or not. Let's see.
I can't
see you guys when I'm mixing. Oh God, guys, that looks really yellow to you.
Oh, guys, mine is almost done getting mixed.
Yeah, it looks yellow to them, but it's actually orange.
Okay, here we go,
Look
Lexi.
at mine. See, it looks really yellow to them, but it looks really orange to us. I like it. It's nice.
All right, next.
Pick out of the chance mug.
Ugh.
Out of the chance mug.
Here we go.
Pick again.
Lexi, you're not filming me. You gotta pay attention.
Did she?
Pink dye. All right, guys. See you when I got pink dye.
Make it good. The pink looks like pink to you guys. Looks exactly the same to us, but that's yellow. Just kidding, that's orange.
Maybe this is too pink. This is way too pink, guys. Well, it's not Hatchimalate slime anymore, guys.
Yeah, it's too.
It's too big. I added too much.
No, it's too dark of a pink. It looks light to you guys, but it's dark to us.
Oh no, the orange. It's still there. There's still orange that I haven't mixed in. Except for the pink. A few more rounds. Lexi's turn.
Alright, I've got red dye.
All right, Lexi. How does it feel to be this? This is the last round. How does it feel to you?
I think it's pretty good.
All right. Oh, there's glue on my hands. One sec, guys.
Red.
Here you go, Lexi. Just do it. Here she goes.
Get on in there.
Lexi, can you just like? I need to focus it.
There it goes. It looks pink. Look at that.
It does
looks
look
really
pink. That looks orange. It's gonna be like orangish because you're mixing it with the orange. That looks
Get
like
up.
yellow. Right, start mixing with your spoon, with your fork.
I
Mix
don't
it.
do forks.
I do forks. I do.
Well, sometimes I use forks, but I use spoons a lot.
Lexi
It's
got.
peach, it's
It looks
peach.
peach to us, but it looks orange. It looks mango to you guys, but it looks peach to us.
Taste this. Let's go.
Here we go.
Make sure to get a good one.
I'm gonna get a great one. I'm gonna get an amazing one. It's gonna be better than yours. Green glitter. Ooh, that's interesting. Because we couldn't end it off without using green glitter.
Oh. All right.
Oh, it's so hard, guys. See when I'm that.
Guys, if you know that she's scared, she's this scared of glitter, put in the comments down below hashtag she's this scared of glitter, or Millie is scared of glitter,
Or I'm not scared of glitter.
all right, put it in the green glitter. Stop.
Lexi, you gotta be paying attention to
I am. You're not even getting it.
I'm not even getting it.
There we go. There we go,
That's
baby.
a lot of green glitter. Is
Baby.
that too much green glitter?
I don't know.
That's a lot of green glitter. Oh well.
It looks like skin with speckles on
It
it.
looks really weird.
It looks like skin with
This
speckles
is not
on it.
how I thought it was gonna look, but
This is mine.
This is mine.
It's
Alright guys,
actually-
we're gonna add the activator and we'll see you guys when our slime is done. Okay guys, this is my slime. As you can see, if it focuses, you can see the ugly color of all that orange that was at the bottom. And this, listen closely, we're gonna be quiet and I'm gonna poke my slime, okay? Be quiet, Lexi. So write in the comment section down below, ugly but stretchy.
Hashtag ugly but stretchy.
Hashtag ugly but stretchy.
If you think his one. Alright, on to mine. This is mine.
Look, guys, but first look at the amounts. Hold yours, Lexi. I have way more than her.
Alright, so guys, this is mine. Be quiet.
This stool. I'm just trying to sit down, guys. I just want to sit down.
It's super soft. As you heard, I added a lot of cream.
It's so stretchy. What? Never mind. Never mind.
No, because you took it. You were like going too fast. Usually when you stretch slime, you have to go slow so it won't like break apart easily. But yeah, we're gonna do some more slime videos. Wow.
Mine is so weird. Okay, bye, guys.